Look, my toesies. Frozies. I hate the fact that I just said it. Okay, anyways.
I can't even ready.
This is really embarrassing. Are you not embarrassed?
Yes, die. Getting my butt so.
Oh, the grill is kind of ruining this. Can I film vertical?
No. Okay, let's find. This is my impression. Well. Honey, this is my 11 impression. Mike. Ron's laughing at me. I can't even skate. How do skaters like hold their skateboard? Like this?
Definitely not. That looks like you're holding like a, I don't know.
Is that a car? Alright, that is going to be it for today's video, but do not forget, it's a collab with Laura. Her channel will be in the iCard and in the description, and she's also going to be doing a Stranger Things lookbook, and I'm just so excited for this collab. We both are obsessed with Stranger Things, so it was just perfect. So definitely go check out her video, and yeah, I think that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.